In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio settings in Clipchamp. This process is especially useful if you're looking to fine-tune the audio levels for your project, ensuring that the volume is just right for your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Clipchamp on your browser. This is your starting point for editing, so make sure you're logged into the platform. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that will help you easily locate all the tools you need. If you haven't set up Clipchamp before, a quick sign-up will get you on your way, and you can access it by visiting the official Clipchamp website. Now let's move on to accessing your media, where all the magic happens. Within the Clipchamp interface, locate your media files. These can be your video or audio files that you've already uploaded or are planning to use in your project. Once you open your project, you'll see your media files displayed on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where all your editing takes place, allowing you to make precise adjustments to both video and audio elements. When you're ready to adjust the audio, click on your audio file in the editing panel. This action opens up the audio settings on the right side of the screen. Here you'll find various options to help you tailor the sound. One of the most prominent features is the volume bar, which allows you to adjust the volume level of your audio clip. By simply dragging this bar, you can increase or decrease the volume to suit your needs. As you make adjustments, feel free to play back your audio to ensure it sounds just the way you want it. This step is crucial because it allows you to hear how changes impact the overall sound of your project. Play around with different volume levels until you find that sweet spot where everything sounds balanced and clear. Remember, the right volume level depends on the context of your project, so keep your audience and environment in mind as you make these tweaks. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, your work here is done. Clipchamp autosaves your progress, making it easy to continue working on your project at any time. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to control audio levels using Clipchamp. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, audio is a critical component of any project, and having the ability to fine-tune it can make all the difference in delivering a polished final product. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.